Alright, guys, I'm here. I'm back. Sorry it's taken me so long. I had lost my iPad for literally 2 months. It's like pretty close to 2 months. I'm going to teach another version of a dog. I know, there's a lot out there. This one can be done either with one 260, but we're doing this at a 350, so it's a 350 dog. You do need a scrap or a full 260, any color for the ears. So I used black on this. You're gonna need either a black round, a white round, a red round, depending on what color nose you want. I'm using black, a black round, and then two 350s. Now if you're using 360s, you actually might be a little bit better. I've used 360s on this, and you can get both legs, but you still have to add a tail, so it doesn't quite do it. So this is the dog. I made him, and then he was sitting for a little bit, and then for some reason his head went a little loppy. He's cute. He's adorable. You can do this version in a 260, which would take one 260 for his body, one 160 for his ear, and of course, again, a smaller, instead of almost 3 fingers on the nose, you do 2 fingers, you know, on the nose to make a smaller nose. Alright, gonna use, if you use goldenrod, and you leave the ears out, so they are not tied in, and you make him, he actually looks a little bit like Pluto. You instead of tie his ears down, and you leave the ears out, and then we'll do one that looks like Pluto. How about that? How about we just do one? So you see the one with the ears down, and then we'll do one with the ears up. Okay, so I'm using goldenrod. You can use any color you want for your dog. 2 350s, 1 black round, and since I guess we're doing Pluto, 1 260. Okay, so we're gonna blow this up with a it's 4-finger tail. It's my usual 4-finger tail thing. You do want to burp it, let some air out, soften it up, stretch, give it some good love, soften it up. Then we're going to go ahead and blow up the 5-inch round. And we really only want it to be 3 fingers, so we're going to shrink it a little bit. I've been twisting all weekend, so I am a little sore. To me, it's almost like the center of my palm. Okay? Make sure the knot is down at the bottom, so you got a long tail here. Now, if you wish, go ahead and tie it to the nozzle, so you don't have launching issues if you let it go and it goes bing. Okay, so we're going to do the marriage twist. Okay, so we're going to take this in, push it in. Okay, and like I showed on my apple twist, I kind of move up a little bit too, just to kind of get that. Now, depending on how long of a snout you want, we don't want a long snout. So, see how that's almost 4 fingers? Once that's going to be gone, because we don't want a long snout. We're not doing some kind of long snouted nose. Okay? I always secure that, push that down a little bit, and you should have this. Okay? Okay, now I just do this for a little bit. Just a little curve up here. And then we're only gonna go literally 5, 6 fingers. Okay? I'm going to do 2-finger or 1-inch pinch, 1-inch pinch twist. Okay. Then you're going to bring it back down, line it up. Go ahead and twist it first here before you do it down there. Bring it in, squeeze it together, grab, and roll. Okay? This will help prevent a lot of popping issues. And there you go. You've got his head. And cute. Now I have done it where I put a little pinch twist down here and it creates a nice little bottom lip mouth. It is really cute. You can also end up sticking a heart there. But we're just going to go ahead and do a 1.5 inch. This is 1.5 inch bubble that gives it the neck. And then we're going to go ahead. See, we're already close to the end on this. Okay, and we're going to make his feet. Alright, so we've got his feet. And that's the end of it. Okay, now to attach the other one, we're going to go ahead and blow it up to the same 4 fingers. Well, I'm sorry, we don't need to go 4 fingers because we're just we're going to use the rest of it for his body and his hind legs and a tail. So, I don't do the poodle puff on this at all. So we have this like this. We're going to go ahead, before we pop this, we're going to attach. So, attach that nozzle around the neck. Okay. So then, we take this short end. We're going to go ahead, deflate, and we're going to tie a knot. Okay? We're going to, when we tie the knot, we're going to wrap it around the finger and around that new attachment. We're going to tie the knot right in there. So we're actually securing even more. Okay? Now the best little bit is we're going to need to make just a small pinch twist. Or we can pop it. Alright. Let's see what we've got here. Alright. We don't need to. Now if you're having problems with the head and it keeps going back like that, and you don't like that, you can use a pinch twist, which I was going to do because on the other one the head was really wobbly. Use a pinch twist to stabilize it. I don't have to worry about it now. Okay. Go ahead and take, you're making a dog. Now, you can extend this, and it could be a Dachshund if you want, but we're just making the standard dog. You can do so much with this technique. It makes things really great. So, we've got his other thing. Of course, now we've got a huge long tail. I like to put a pinch twist here on almost my dogs, my cats, my lions, my tigers, my bears, or mine. Because can do the lock twist by pushing the balloon through the legs and up and around to lock it so it doesn't come undone. I do a pinch twist. That's just something I do. I like that. I always found this cute little bun. Okay, I've got like neat cutter. And I can make the tail go down on the horse, or as I do with the dog, make the tail go up and so. Alright, so here you go on just your standard dog body after you do the cute head. It really doesn't take long. I actually use this design line work. I grabbed them open. I have my chocolate mixed with my brown. Alright. I gotta go back through my thing. So we're going to do a shock twist, which means we're going to bend. Going to bend, squeeze all the air out. Squeeze all the air out. Leave that shock twist. And I usually do a pre-twist. It's not going to stay because I'm not, no. And we want to kind of make that same shock twist on the same side. Okay. I also know that I am going to be breaking off that. So there's the center. We take the dog, right where that pinch twist is. Twist it on. Shape it. Let's get another bit of that. Alright. Okay, now he has kind of a Pluto look to him. Where's my marker? We're going to go ahead and do his eyes. Now, of course, you can do your colors. Make him really colorful and dandy. When I do line work, I am not bothering with huge amount of color. I just try to make sure that I've got some nice eyes on there. And I do a simple smile and 3 dots on one cheek and 3 dots on the other cheek. Boom. And he's ready to rock and roll with the little girl, little boy who wishes to have the dog. Literally, you get this down, it doesn't take, I've gotten it out in less minute or less. You can do the exact same thing with a 260. The 260 version, of course, you're looking at literally just one 260 and one thing and scrap. You get this down. I did a boo-boo on that tail. gonna take me along. It's what I call a quick repair. Okay. I can't. I don't know how people can. After I've used a balloon and I top off that nozzle or break it off and it's a scrap, I've had a problem re-inflating those. So literally. Or tie a knot. Wow, there goes my kind of like how to show you this is actually really fast when you're on a speed zone. But you know what? Things like this happen even when you're line working. You do your best to not panic. You just grab it and go. Even in line working, we have issues like this happen to us when we're trying to do something. You know what? And it's good. It's good that this happens even on video. Because you know me, I don't edit. Unless I absolutely did some weird, goofy, stupid mistake on something. Then I have to redo the whole video all over again. Why? Well, you know, I don't live a charmed life. Okay? So you have your dog here, and you have your eyes. Usually the dog head ends up staying this way. Hand twist it just a teeny bit. There you go. And then you just do your eyes, right? Ding. Alright. Real life scenario. This has not been edited, as you know. Dude, something happened. I had to hurry up and quickly fix the tail. And of course the inflating of the extra things, I had to hurry up and fix that too. Okay, long video. I'm sorry guys. I hope you enjoy. Please take care. God bless. And I'm back.